Welcome friends. So we decided to make this video in English as the delivery is all over India. So many people won't be understanding Marathi or Hindi. So let me introduce you to this new startup, Shriram Sports. So basically these are like 4 employees, the team of 4 employees, and they lost their job in the lockdown. And this is a very inspirational story that they decided to start this startup of Indian club, and in Hindi or Marathi we call it as Mugdar. This has been also recently promoted in the new year by Mr. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, and this is a very healthy way of doing exercising. And right now you must be seeing that in a closed environment people are working in gyms, and only the protein shakes are being promoted, and there is no exercise on the internal organs. This helps to improvise our internal organs as well. And the beauty of this thing is even foreigners are nowadays promoting it, and the beauty is like resourcefulness, that with a very less weight we are getting to the effect is of more weight, we can say, because of this power dynamics, that as it works like a leverage. When we are catching hold of this from here, you can see it looks very much heavy, it feels very much heavy. Okay, so I am having 10 kg, this is like 9 kg Mugdar, and this is how we do exercise. And you can order this online as well, and you can buy from the roadside also all over India. They would be moving right now. Okay, and okay, I will just show you some stunt by doing it with one hand. Okay, so it took me 10 days practice to move this with one hand, and it might look that I don't have muscles or something like that. Still I am able to do it, so it might be easy, but it's not like that. So this is what we call it samtol. Okay, so you can work like this. So it strengthens your core, and at home you can use all these equipments. No need to go to gym as well. So you can order this online. Courier charges will be extra, but if you compare the prices are like too low compared to online. So let me just request them to tell all the prices. Sir, you will tell all the prices तुम्ही सांगाल? प्राइजेस सांगा, प्राइजेस. किंमत सांगा.
हा तुम्हाला 5 किलोचा 750 ला भेटेल. नाही किलो आणि प्राइस सांगा.